Masonic Lodge/Opera House, located at 132 East Main Street. The Rob Morris Masonic Lodge was granted a charter in 1859. They originally met in a hall over a local tavern. In 1892, the members built the Eagle Masonic Temple at this location. This same building was used as the Eagle Opera House. An acting troupe known as the J.B. Rottenauer Players was a featured group. In 1938, the Chicago radio station WLS hosted a talent show here. Residents enjoyed watching movies in the hall, and the Eagle Cornet Band also performed at this location. Graduations for 8th graders from Ward, Jericho, Palestine, and Eagleville, and of course Eagle Elementary Schools, were held in this location. The building was remodeled in 1958 and is now used as apartments for local residents.